Today we're going to go over how to create a multi-design project in Canva. So first thing I'm going to do is go to custom size, and I'm going to use an 8.5 by 11 to start with. So now that I have my 8.5 design, we're going to make this project about a birthday party. So I'm going to go to my templates and I'm going to type in birthday. And I think I want to use this one. So it fills in my canvas. That's good. 8.5 by 11. Look, so let's say I want to do a, a bigger size. I can go to more and I want to create another custom size and I want to make a banner that's 16. Let's change this to inches. That's 16 by 20. So now I have a 16 by 20 page and I want to use that birthday um, design again. We're going to go here. It stretches, but now we want to do happy birthday and we're going to put Carmen. Make that smaller, increase this. Whoops, too much here. Get this here. We're going to change the font to Fantastic. And we're going to make it one of the colors in the photo. So I want to go down here and I want to make it this peachy color. All right, I want to delete that. So now, happy birthday, Carmen. And we want to do Carmen is 5. I'll change that to 5. Move this down here. Move the 5 up here. Delete this, duplicate this. I want a TH. TH. We'll make that a little smaller. We're going to place that there. So we got happy 5th Carmen. Doesn't make sense, so we're going to go with it. So now we have, if we go down here to our display, we have an 8.5 invitation, and I just made a 16 by 20 poster. So you want, when you want to add a page that's different, you want to click on this arrow and it'll give you your choices. So now I want to create a dot. Okay. And this is going to be my thank you letter to everybody who came. So first thing I want to do is go to elements and I want to create a banner at the top. And here they are. It says see all. We're going to do this because the colors are close to the colors in the invitation. So now I want to edit this. Instead of self-care, I want to say thank you. Let's go. Double click here and we're going to say thank you. We're going to stretch it out so it fits inside of this little circle. For attending my party. And then I want to save the banner. Now I want to click here. I want to make this to stretch the top of my page and make it my banner. So now let's get rid of this. This is at the top of my page. So now I want to come down here. I don't want a heading, so let's get rid of that. And this just becomes a normal letter. So I want to use Magic Write. I want to thank my guests for attending my birthday party. So I just want them to write something quick for me for that. A heartfelt thank you. And I'm going to say this looks good without reading it. So I'm going to insert it into my letter. And this is, I want to get rid of the dear guest. This is just going to be a letter that I'm going to send to everybody. And there's my letter. All right. And we're going to be love Carmen and family, because we know a 5-year-old didn't write this. We're going to make family capital F. Next, let's say Carmen wants to keep track of the guests and how they are coming. So we also want to add a sheet. This is an Excel or Google sheet. So let's go here. Again, We're going to go to elements. We want to go to design because I want a template. And let's see. How about we do a to-do list? And this is the mom's to-do list. We're going to make this as a new page. And these are the things that has to get done. Um, The dates are here. Everything in here you can go and change. You can edit. You can add new options. If you click here, you can edit options. You can change the colors, or you can get rid of this altogether. You can put your task here, your priority. Again, you can edit the colors. You can edit the words, or you can add other options. And this will be my to-do list for the party. So now, when you go to grid view, this is the blank spreadsheet. We're going to get rid of that because we just added in a new one. So now I have a project that has an 8.5 by 11 invitation. I have a 16 by 20 poster. I have the thank you letter that I'm sending my guests. And I also have a spreadsheet that I was using to keep track of all the tasks that I needed for the birthday party. And here are the other options that you have when you have a it's called multi-design project. You can add a video, your social media post, you can create a whiteboard, and you can add a presentation. So this is how you can have a multi-design in Canva so you don't have to switch between files. Everything is located in one place. Thank you so much and have a crafty day.